Chef Nikki here. I'm here at Lisa Chang's house. She is a mom, entrepreneur, mint fanatic, and most importantly, my best friend. So I'm so excited to be here. Let's go tie things up. That's a pretty sound. Hello!
She's here.
Hey, so happy. So good to see you.
All right, well, let me take you in here.
I have been here.
The kitchen. Of course, many times.
I love it, but I don't think I've actually cooked in this kitchen.
Well, that's true, you haven't.
No.
You've seen me cook, but
you
haven't cooked.
Because I come here as a guest.
Yes, and this is probably the cleanest you've ever seen it.
It's
but that's
amazing.
Okay. Here is the...
This is the star.
Why does this feel so intimate that you're about to open my fridge?
Is it?
Yes.
It's like your secret.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, I hope there's no expired stuff on that right side, so...
We're gonna find out.
Okay.
We didn't get to the right side today, last night.
No, not really. A little, but not really. Oh, it's that heavy.
No,
I know, it's seriously.
I see a lot of combinations of some Asian flavors.
Yes.
I see.
Yes, we always have some of that.
Yes. And then kids' favorites.
Yes.
And you eat very healthy, so I love that.
I try.
So much to play with.
I have something special in the freezer.
You do?
Yes.
Where am I going?
Well, it's in this container.
This container?
Yes.
Oh, it is like the mysterious chop box.
Do you know what this is?
Soft shell crab.
Yeah.
Yes. I love soft shell crab.
Roger's mom, my mother-in-law, makes lots of crab and lobster, and she makes it kind of like an Asian style.
Yep.
So I'm curious what you're gonna do.
I got a plan. Okay, we're gonna go back and find everything else that's gonna go with this.
Oh boy.
Yay! Are we ready?
I think so.
We're gonna make Poo Pad Pong Karee. Can you say that? Oh, I love that.
I know. I'm like, yeah, I want to dance to that.
Poo Pad Pong Karee.
Yes, I'll let you say
it. You have this in there too. Chinese celery.
Yes, Roger's mom, or my husband's mom, you know, has taught me all about all the Asian varieties of greens. That's why I love going to the Asian market. They have so much stuff that.
Fun. All we're gonna do, we're gonna chop. We're gonna fry those soft shell crabs.
Okay.
And then we're gonna make a sauce.
Yeah.
We're gonna top it all off over that rice that you had in the fridge. Oh,
everybody's gonna love
everything.
I
you
know.
had everything in the fridge.
I do have a lot of Asian.
You do.
Things. Yes, all from learning from Roger's mom. Oh, I want to try this. Yeah.
Hi, Roger's mom. I hope you get to watch this episode and be very proud of Lisa today.
I know. Yeah. Oh, yeah. She's one of those like that doesn't have any recipes because I'm always like, so how did you make this? And she's like, I don't know. I just put a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I'm like, okay.
You send your daughter in, just like start filming everything,
Yeah.
and you're like writing down the recipe.
Yeah, I'm trying to, but it's hard. She's like, I don't know. Give me a teaspoon. I'm like, all right. Yeah.
And you do this like a ritual, like every week or something like that, to go and hang out with her and stuff?
We do. We go
awesome.
every Sunday when they're in town. And it's really funny because when I met my husband, his grandma lived in Dallas and she would cook every Sunday and he would never invite me. And, and he would send me all these pictures of all these beautiful dishes. And I'm like, are you ever gonna invite me over there? And I know it's a big deal.
Wait, you were married yet?
No.
Oh, when
no,
you were
just
dating.
We were just dating. And he finally invited me. I know. And he finally invited me, and so I got to see.
You're like,
all the
okay, you're a
dishes.
keeper now.
Yeah.
Aww.
It was great.
That is so cool.
It was awesome. So
I
I'm
love.
doing this.
Yes.
Okay. How do you slice your bell pepper?
Bell pepper, there's no wrong way.
Okay.
As long as you don't cut your fingers off.
Okay.
This is a fairly large bell pepper, so maybe cut it in half, and
Okay.
you can keep half of it, and we'll use just half.
Okay.
And then slice them into like strips.
Can I cut this off first?
Yes, you can.
Okay. So I have a question about cutting boards because these
Okay.
are, you know, beautiful. Is there a cutting board that you just love that I should get?
I love these bamboo cutting boards.
Yeah.
They're from IKEA.
Okay.
Super cheap. I think they're less than $10. I do use the classic ones as well every now and then if I'm like cutting meat, because I don't want the meat. It might be just a personal preference. I don't like the meat juice to go into the meat, the wood.
No, same.
So definitely wood cutting board for wood, for vegetables.
Right.
Yeah.
So keep them separate.
I do.
Okay.
And this is so pretty.
I know. I love
And
it.
it smells so good. So this is Chinese celery, which is I think, stronger in flavor than American celery.
Yeah, I think so too. Yeah.
And we use this to season a lot of broth, things like that. So I'm gonna cut, and I like the leaves.
Yeah, they're really pretty. So you can, I mean, we eat the whole thing, right?
You eat the whole thing. We got green, we got red, we got white, we got some pretty colors going on.
And that's what you've taught me too, is like all the vegetables, just being in your kitchen, I know to not waste any of it.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
that's right.
yeah. Do you need me to cut this too?
No, I think we're
Okay.
good. Maybe cut these in half.
Okay.
So we got, kind of like, same size as your,
Oh, right. Okay.
yeah.
Yes. Awesome.
Awesome. We're ready to roll. Now we have all our setup ready. You're gonna be frying some soft shell crab. This dish could technically be done in like 20 minutes.
Yes.
Because we didn't really have to do anything to the soft shell crab. We rinsed them and now they're beautiful and ready to roll. And you do want them wet so that when this flour can stick to it.
That's good to know, because I would not have known that. Okay.
Yeah, I don't do
yeah.
the whole 3 compartment of like the eggs and the soft shell crab is so delicate.
Yeah.
You don't want like a whole lot. You just want like just enough to add crunch. Because the soft shell is not super crunchy anymore.
They're so cute.
They are so cute.
Look
I
at
love that you
them.
got them. I actually like to add a little bit more water.
Okay, to keep them wet?
Just to keep making sure that the flour is definitely
Such a
going
good
to
tip.
stick.
Okay.
Can you season the flour for me?
Yes, I can.
All we're doing is adding salt.
Like about a pinch?
Do a big pinch, because we got
pinch?
a lot of flour
Okay.
going on. Do you want to get your hands dirty?
Yeah. Let me get this going. All
Yes.
right. I need to be delicate, I'm assuming, because they're delicate.
Don't
Okay.
break the legs off and things like that.
Okay. So just dip it in? Mm-hmm. Okay. Would I use the spoon or just my hands?
I just use your hands.
Okay. All right. And layer it? Or make sure I cover every piece?
Yes.
Okay.
Sometimes if you feel like, you know what, I think I want like a little bit more flour on it, so I'm going to kind of let the excess come off.
Okay.
Excess flour. I'm going to rinse it under the water. It's not going to rinse everything off. I'll show you. We'll be able to add like another layer of flour to it without doing the whole egg thing or anything like that.
Wow. See, I would have just thrown it in here, but that's so good to know. Okay. My kids could help me do this.
Oh,
they would love it.
Love
right?
that.
Yeah, the girls would love it. Okay.
Oh, getting to play with soft shell. Okay,
yeah.
that's getting hot, so be careful.
Yeah, I can feel it. Oop.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a good way to test it too.
That's true.
It's not ready yet. Not your arm, but the
So
flour.
how do you know? How do you know if it's ready? Because I don't typically deep fry at home.
You don't deep fry it?
No, so I'm excited to learn.
Things that are round, and throw it in and see if it will start to do that or not.
Oh.
Now it's getting
That's
hot.
a good trick.
Right? You ready for this crab to go in?
Yes. I think.
Do you want to do it?
Yeah. But should I use tongs or just my
Up
hand?
to you. I'm so used to
I
using
know you're
my
used
hands.
to it. Okay.
Well, here, do you want the tongs?
I'm going to try it. I'm going to be brave.
Ooh,
Okay.
okay. What's wrong with it? Girl! Okay, let me show
Okay,
you.
yeah, please show me.
Yeah,
Okay.
you were very brave.
Okay.
You drop it in.
Maybe I should use tongs.
Here. Here.
Yes. I think I'm a tong girl. Oh, Jesus.
Okay, yeah, you're a tongue girl.
All right. How long do you let it go?
I let it go probably 5 minutes or so.
Is there a certain color you're looking for, or just like?
Well, the color you see, because it's so
Oh,
super
Jesus.
soft shell.
Yeah.
5 minutes to kind of get it through.
Okay.
It was like about a 2-inch thickness.
Yeah. And you don't flip it, mess with it. You just
Not really.
Not really.
Not if you feel like the oil's not covering it, then you feel like, okay, I need to cover it. I need to flip it so that the flour on the other side gets cooked.
Huh.
You still have a lot of bubbles.
Okay.
You know that it's still needing to cook.
Okay.
Once it kind of it's almost like a pancake. You want to like do the one side almost to the top, and then you flip it a few seconds, and then it's done.
Good to know. Okay. What if you like it a little more crispy? Is that would it be too crispy?
Right now, we're just trying to cook through.
Okay.
It's going to be as crisp as it's going to be.
Okay.
Because it doesn't have a lot of shell already.
Oh, true.
Sauce time.
Yeah. To put on the crab.
Put on the crab. We're gonna actually put the crab, toss it in a little bit.
Ooh, okay.
So that it gets coated.
Awesome. How do you know how many eggs to raise? What's the ratio?
Such a good question.
Okay. Yes.
I eyeball everything.
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe I'll start thinking about that. 1 egg to 1 soft shell.
Okay.
So I do
like
want
it
to
that
fluff up the eggs a little bit and probably even season it.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to season it with the curry powder.
So pretty.
I'm going to put a little bit of the sauce in the egg.
Which one are we using?
We are using the gluten-free stir fry.
Okay.
Another great question.
I've used the, of course, the black soy all the time, but
Yes. What do you use the black soy for?
stir fries.
Yeah.
I've been experimenting. This one's really good. I haven't
You gotta
tried
send
that
me
one.
more
Okay.
pictures of all the things you
You're
make.
right. I'm bad about that.
I am. You're like, it's good. I'm eating it right
I
now.
know, exactly. I don't have time to take this picture.
Okay, viewers, if you're cooking at home with these sauces or anything at all, post a picture, tag me,
Yes.
Chef Nikky Official on Instagram or Facebook, because I want to see your creations. I
Yes,
really do.
I know you do. I know you do. I will do that from now on. You got crazy with the
Tag
fork.
me on that one.
I know, right?
Fire on.
Okay.
I like it if we can make it where the egg doesn't get overcooked.
Okay.
So this is where the balance comes in. Always starting off with chopped garlic.
Okay.
Some,
And sometimes I overcook the garlic, so I gotta watch it.
watch it. I'm
Okay.
gonna put the
Ooh. Hopefully I won't cough.
jalapenos.
Okay.
Got the beautiful mushroom.
Oh, the kids are gonna love all of this.
Ooh, are we
Oh
gonna
my
have any left for them?
I mean, maybe I make it again. That's my second time, right?
There you go.
I gotta get to the 3.
Just gonna have a little bit, just for some liquid.
Okay. And that's the same sauce.
Same sauce.
Okay.
Keeping it consistent.
Okay.
And because I don't want to overcook my egg, I wanted to cook all this down first,
Okay.
get all the flavors in. When the egg goes in, literally almost like a quick scramble, toss the soft shell, and we're good to go.
Awesome.
I'm gonna cut these crabs in half
Oh, okay.
because they're gonna be big pieces to toss in.
Okay.
Now we're gonna put the egg in.
Okay. I forget that's egg. It doesn't look like an egg.
I know, we now have all the yellow curry powder in it and all the sauce.
Okay. So you said don't overcook it, so.
Yeah,
Okay.
so you just, there you go.
All right.
Scramble it up.
Okay.
Keep scrambling.
Okay. So would you would find this dish on the, like in the street market?
Yes, you
of
will.
Thailand. That's
Yes,
awesome.
you will. I mean, maybe more in the fancy one.
Yeah.
Not everyone has the soft shell crab, so now we're just gonna toss this
Okay.
in so that the sauce and the flavor gets in on the crab. Yep.
So carefully stir.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Yum.
I feel like
Oh
it
my
needs a little
God.
bit more oil now.
I just want to eat it out of this pan.
Don't you just want to?
Yeah. Okay, so why are you putting more oil? Because the egg's sticking?
A little bit, but
Okay.
I want it to have more to
Okay.
it.
Okay.
We're done.
Awesome.
But now you have to taste.
Okay. From the, okay.
I always like to taste. Taste as we go.
Okay.
Do we need more anything at all?
Oh my God. I can't talk right now.
Ooh, that's
really
a good
good.
sign.
Oh my God. It's seriously so juicy. Oh, I know. You're some drama queen. Come on.
Yes, you love
Drama in your food, right?
drama in
Not
your food.
life.
Oh, that's
Okay.
so pretty. Oh, she's gonna keep eating it, looks like.
I am.
Thank you. Thank you for having me in your house. You get to keep
you.
all these
Oh,
sauces,
that's
as
so
you
good.
know. So excited that you had soft crab. Thank you for surprising me with something different.
I wanted to challenge you.
You sure did. Good thing I know how to make soft shell crab.
I know, seriously. Seriously.
Again, please subscribe to our channel. We really are trying to hit those numbers. We're having so much fun. We continue to do this, making some beautiful flavors and cooking with heart and soul.
Yeah, you are.
Yes.
And you do. You represent that for sure.
Thank
Yes.
you.
Love you, girl.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Oh, you got to put that in there. That's your ending every time, right? I've always wanted to learn how to cook more authentic Thai dishes and use soft shell crab. That was like the one thing I've always wanted to learn how to make because I always ordered in a restaurant, so it was great. I now know it only can take 20 minutes to make something so beautiful and something that seems complicated that I would only order in a restaurant. And so now I feel like I can do it and do it with my kids, and it will be like a family thing. And it's one dish that I know my whole family will love.